I am here today to speak to you about Google planning about its new search engine is gaining pace after a number of technology behemoths are participating in the struggle to fill the gaps and modernize their offerings. Similarly, tech giant Google is also working on a new AI-powered search engine under a project named Major, reported New York Times. The project of building the search engine is underway as the tech colossus is also updating its technology within the already established platforms. The new search engine will offer a far more personalized experience to its users than its current services. In a statement by Lara Levin, the Google spokeswoman said, "And not every brainstorm deck or product idea leads to a launch. But as we've said before, we are excited about bringing AI-powered features to search and will share more details soon." The decision comes after a report in New York Times said that the smartphone giant Samsung has announced that it could make Microsoft Bing the default program in its devices. According to the report, Google fears that it could lose $3 billion in revenue if the South Korea-based smartphone company switches to Microsoft Bing. Google has been worried since December last year, after Samsung issued a code red to the tech giant citing the rise of a popular chatbot chat. Jim Lachinsky, a former Google vice president of sales and service, said the company had been goaded into action and now had to convince users that it was as powerful, competent, and contemporary as its competitors. The supremacy in the search engine by Google that dominated the business for 25 years is under clear threat after Microsoft, in collaboration with OpenAI, announced in February to relaunch Bing. Google planned to release its initial features to around 1 million people, which will expand drastically to 30 million by the end of the year. The search engine service will only be used by users in the